800 of these. Need 400 of these. Need 400 of these. Need 200 of these. I need 200 custom plates.
So 800 for what? Only this?
For the whole ceiling.
All for ceiling.
Where? So the whole? What do you mean the whole ceiling is supported by these things?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna be plywood.
It's gonna be supported. All the joists are hanging on these, but not only they're hanging, they're also the side ones already sitting on the plates, and the back ones, they're sitting on this. So not only they're going to be sitting there, they're also supporting the ceiling, because it's going to be very heavy ceiling.
What? Because normal ceilings don't have these rafters.
Normal ceilings don't have windows without frames.
So, but the support's gonna be going all the way through the whole thing, right?
Everywhere, everywhere. These will go here.
Oh, and then what? This goes into the plywood or something? Like there's holes drilled or something?
It's going to go like this
Uh huh.
around the joists. I'm going to drill 4 holes, quarter-inch holes.
Uh huh.
Put a custom plate inside here. This goes in the plate on both sides. This is another custom plate on top. Washers, Loctite, and 4 nuts on top.
So what? This is 8 feet.
Full clearance. The clearance has to be 8 feet minimum here.
Is that just standard or just preference?
That's the minimum by the code.
Oh.
But obviously, there's only so much ceiling height we have to work with. So we have to do minimum 8 feet. So this is a tricky project.